Jeans. Everyone has a pair in their wardrobe. It's like that childhood friend who seems to adapt to every phase of your life. But for many women, jeans are also the piece that stubbornly refuses to fit as it should. Too loose here, too tight there, highlighting areas you'd rather it didn't. Sound familiar? And so, the jeans that should be a reliable base for your look ends up becoming your mirror's worst enemy. The thing is, jeans are more than just pants. They're a strategic piece. It's not like a comfy sweatshirt that you can throw on without much thought. Jeans require a bit of attention to wear well, especially if you're aiming for an elegant look. Take Kate Middleton, for example. She manages to look sophisticated even in basic jeans, but is it just luck? Or is there a trick to it? The truth is, most people make at least one of the mistakes that undermine how jeans look on the body. But today, you'll understand exactly where you might be going wrong and how to fix it. Want to know what these mistakes are and how to avoid them for good? Stick with me. Give this post a like, turn on notifications, and subscribe to Lucrative Elegance, because subscribing to this channel brings you one step closer to enhancing your image and making your elegance work in your favor, down to every last detail. 1. Jeans with embellishments. When what looks trendy becomes an obstacle to elegance. How many times have you looked at a pair of jeans with embroidery, rips, or lace and thought, this will make my outfit shine? Sure, jeans with eye-catching details can be tempting. After all, they seem to add personality. But what initially seems like an advantage can quickly become the first mistake in creating an elegant and versatile look. According to a survey by Who What Wear, there's been a 68% increase in preference for basic, minimalist pieces over the past 5 years among women seeking practicality in their wardrobes. This is because too many details limit outfit options, preventing jeans from being that key piece that adapts to different occasions. The moment you add embroidered or ripped jeans to your closet, you create a problem. They don't pair well with a bold shirt, a patterned blazer, or even more elaborate accessories. Does this mean details are off limits? Not at all. But the best strategy for a smart and elegant wardrobe is to have at least one clean, versatile pair of jeans that won't clash with other pieces. Think about how Kate Middleton stands out in a simple pair of jeans yet always looks sophisticated. She doesn't need any frills. Her basic jeans do the job of flattering her figure and letting other pieces shine. Second, outdated washes. You know that pair of jeans that fits you perfectly, almost like it was made just for you, but the wash has seen better days? It's comfortable, fits well, and seems ideal. But the faded, sometimes even stained color gives away its age and can detract from the overall look. This is a subtle but common mistake that can make the difference between an elegant look and one that seems dated. Currently, dark, uniform washes are the top choice for women seeking a refined style. Most consumers who prioritize style and elegance go for understated washes that allow the jeans to easily transition across various settings and outfit combinations. Clean washes are extremely versatile. They work in the office with a silk blouse and blazer or at a casual dinner when paired with a stylish top and elegant accessories. On the other hand, faded washes or highly marked effects, like the famous 80s and 90s stonewash, tend to stand out too much, making them hard to match with more sophisticated pieces. If your jeans aren't aligning with your style anymore, consider personalizing them, taking them to a tailor for minor adjustments, or even dyeing the wash can give them a fresh look. Dark dyes like black or navy help camouflage the jeans' age and bring an instant touch of elegance. 3. The importance of tailoring. How many times have you found jeans that seemed perfect in the fitting room, but then, while wearing them, you notice small, annoying details? A hem that's too long, a loose waistband, or worse, a hem dragging on the ground? These little issues not only detract from the look, but also wear down the jeans faster, undermining the elegance we aim for when choosing a good pair. This issue is more common than you might think. According to Vogue Business, 58% of women own at least one wardrobe item they don't wear due to poor fit, while 72% say jeans that don't sit right at the hem or waist are their biggest clothing frustration. This problem arises because jeans are a rigid piece with little stretch. Any fit issue is obvious and can quickly compromise the look. A dragging hem, for example, not only wears down and gets dirty, but also gives an unkempt appearance that cancels out any chance of looking elegant. The dilemma here is clear. You found the jeans with the perfect cut, but they still don't fit right because the waistband is loose or the length isn't ideal. The solution: minor adjustments with a specialized tailor. Many women don't consider getting their jeans tailored, but this is a common practice among public figures known for their impeccable style. Spanish fashion influencer Gala Gonzalez, for instance, always looks like she's wearing the perfect pair of jeans. But the secret lies in custom tailoring that makes each piece look like it was made for her. Adjusting the waist, for example, is a quick way to improve the fit and enhance your figure. Contrary to the belief that tailoring is just for special occasions, this simple attention to detail makes jeans part of a smart wardrobe where every piece really works to elevate your look. Even the hem can make a huge difference. Having it cut at the perfect height for your shoe type creates a much more balanced silhouette and prevents the unnecessary wear that comes from stepping on the fabric. For those wondering if it's worth it, think of how much more economical it is to adjust jeans that already fit well rather than buying new ones. The right tailoring transforms the piece, making it more versatile, from casual to semi-formal, adaptable with heels or flats without losing elegance. The perfect jeans aren't found in stores, but in the final touches of quality tailoring that ensures every detail falls into place. Fourth, outdated cuts. Have you ever looked at an old photo and realized that the jeans you once loved now look dated? Styles that were popular at one time, like extremely wide legs or mid-rise waists that are neither high nor low, may have seemed practical, but they often end up undermining the elegance of a look. When jeans don't flatter your silhouette, any attempt at a sophisticated appearance can fall flat. The issue with outdated cuts isn't just that they look out of style. They directly affect how your personal style is perceived. Most women who describe their style as modern and sophisticated tend to choose cuts that flatter their figure, like straight or slightly fitted jeans, avoiding overly baggy or outdated styles. Old-fashioned cuts that break the line of the body, such as wide yokes or excess fabric in the leg, give off a careless impression, disrupting the harmony of the outfit. What if you still have those jeans with an outdated cut and don't want to let go of them? One option is to aim for a creative, intentional look. Vintage jeans, for example, can work well when paired with modern, structured pieces. A fitted blazer or silk shirt can balance out the jeans and give the look a fresh update. This kind of styling transforms the old jeans into a purposely stylish piece rather than something that seems out of place. But if the cut just doesn't flatter your figure, it may be time to replace them with a more current style that enhances your shape. Classic cuts like straight leg or bootcut jeans are timeless choices that suit various body types. Jeans are a strategic piece. They need to work in your favor, shaping your silhouette and projecting an image of elegance, not one of casualness or sloppiness. In the end, the key is to align the cut with your personality and the message you want to convey. A straight leg, dark wash jean, for example, opens up endless styling possibilities and becomes a timeless foundation piece that won't fall victim to passing trends. Unlike outdated cuts, it will remain modern and versatile for years. 5. Jeans that are too tight. Have you ever squeezed into a pair of tight jeans, thinking they'd make you look slimmer? This is a common mistake, the belief that a smaller size will flatter your shape. But the reality is different. Jeans that are too tight, pressing against the skin and creating uncomfortable folds, draw attention to details that don't enhance an elegant look and sacrifice comfort in the process. This issue is more frequent than it seems. Many women feel pressured to wear smaller sizes, associating the number on the tag with the ideal body type without considering actual fit and how it impacts their image. The pressure to choose a smaller size often results in choices that highlight what one might prefer to conceal: marks on the skin, stretched seams, and an appearance that loses elegance by looking too tight and uncomfortable. This conflict between desire and reality ends up with a less flattering look. The jeans that were meant to make you look stylish become restrictive, leaving unwanted marks and making the body look more compressed. Instead of creating a slimmer effect, the result is often a silhouette that appears bulkier where the jeans are too tight. For example, a waistband that's too tight can cause the dreaded muffin top effect, where the skin is compressed and bulges around the jeans. Fortunately, there's an easy fix: choosing the right size. Opting for jeans that actually fit your body enhances your shape naturally and gives off a refined appearance. A properly fitting pair hugs the body without squeezing, resulting in a balanced look that exudes confidence and elegance. That's why fashion icons like American influencer Danielle Bernstein, known for her impeccable style, always choose jeans that fit perfectly, prioritizing proper fit over size. Remember that the right fit gives you the flexibility to switch up your style. With jeans in the correct size, you can cuff the hem for a casual look or pair them with heels and a blazer for something more sophisticated, all while maintaining the comfort and flattering fit that enhances your image. Choosing the right size is, above all, an investment in yourself, showcasing your good taste and confidence. Now that you know the most common mistakes that ruin the fit of jeans, how about taking the next step to ensure even more amazing looks? If your goal is an impeccable, sophisticated, and smart look, here's something you should know. It's not just the fit that makes a difference. The secret also lies in how you use jeans to create timeless combinations. That's why you need to check out the video, 5 Jeans Looks That Never Go Out of Style. In it, you'll discover how to turn any jeans into an elegant foundation for various styles, from casual to semi-formal. Want to make sure your jeans and outfit speak for you, showing a chic, confident, and modern image? Remember what we covered today: choosing the right size, an ideal cut, and even the perfect tailoring. Every detail in your jeans is essential to highlighting your figure and your image. So now you know you can turn any jeans into a style and elegance ally. Tell me, which tip surprised you the most today? Drop a comment saying "elegant in jeans" if you enjoyed the video. And of course, if you want more practical tips to elevate your style, subscribe to Lucrative Elegance and leave a like to keep receiving content that will boost your look and help you achieve the success you deserve. Because elegance is profitable. Ready to master jeans and elevate your style? See you in the next video.